Hello and thank you for joining me. Welcome to my channel. Today's video was going to just be a little quick Brusho technique, but it's actually turned into something else because it didn't quite work out how I wanted it to. But I wanted to show you anyway, to show you how you can easily change and alter your plans as you go along when things don't quite work out as you wanted. So I was using leaves as a stencil, and as you can see I chose a few different size leaves, and I just went out into the garden and got some ivy. You could try whichever different leaves you fancied, but try and get a variety of shapes and sizes. And when I came to the part where I lifted them off, you can see some of the water had seeped under the leaf and we've got little mistakes happening. So it didn't look too obvious that there were leaves when I first lifted those off, so I put the black pen on to make it more obvious and to give us more form to the picture overall. So that's all I wanted to talk to you about really, was the fact that when things do go wrong, don't just abandon your painting, you know, think and alter things, change things as you go along. So I'll tell you the colours that I used. I've used cobalt blue, gamboge and moss green. You could use whatever colours you liked and whatever leaves you liked. Try to stick to 2 or 3 colours. If you use lots and lots of colours, you end up with your Brushos going quite muddy. And the thing with this one was it's 2 layers of paint, so allow them to completely dry in between each layer and make sure it's really well dry before you lift your leaves off. So that's everything really. I'll pop some music on whilst I show you how I did this. Like I say, just those 3 colours. You use whichever colours you like. As we're going into autumn, you might want to try this with more reds and browns, lots of nice gold colours. Try maybe some maple leaves, but try and get a variety of size. Okay, so enjoy the rest of the video. I'll be back again soon with more tutorials and demonstrations. In the meantime, enjoy your painting and drawing, and bye for now.
There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna